to RWX, RWX, RWX. So now how do these change is each one of them has a value. Read has 4, write has 2, and execute has 1, right? So if you add them, that becomes 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7, right? But if I just want to give someone, that is RWX. Now let us assume that I want to give a user only the read and write permission. So do you know what the command would be?
Mm, I think it's 555 or
No, so read is 4 and write is 2, which makes it 4 plus 2. So that would give you 6. So now when I type 666 to 2 and I type ls, so this is the initial stage, and now see the difference. Here it's RWX, RX, RX, and now you get RWX, RWX, RW. One second. Okay, first I need to revoke the permission because it already had write permissions, and I type plus. Now if I see, plus is to add any permission. Now if I just type some chmod and 6662, it just became RW, RW, RW. So that's what we calculated, right? Is that so? Is this understandable? Did you guys understand this?
no, me no.
Right. So oh, I'll explain you again.
Okay.
chmod. It is the command to change the permissions for every file and folder. And the structure for chmod is you type the set of permissions for the owner, followed by set of permissions for right, set of permissions for the owner, then set of permissions for the group. So this is the group in which the owner is already present, and set of permissions for other users, right? And then it comes to the folder slash file name, right? So this is a structure of chmod command where you have owner. You can set the different permission for owner, a permission for group, and a permission for other, right? And those permissions are shown by read, write, and execute are the three permissions that you can give someone. So read is denoted by R, write is denoted by W, and X is for execute. And when you type the set of permissions, it is the sum of the permissions you want to give. So R, W, and X. Now you have, if you want to generate only read and execute, the permission would be 4 plus
Okay.
1, which becomes 5.
Okay.
And
Okay. Makes sense.
right,
Yeah.
because which is why any addition cannot repeat. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6,
Mhm.
4 plus 1 is 5. So it can never repeat, which is why everything is exclusive. So you have RWX and 4 to 1. So now let's assume I want to give the folder 3, the folder 3 in here, permissions for owner to be, I want the owner to have RWX. I want the group to have only read and execute, and I want other users to only read. So can you tell me what the command would be now?
RWS for the first one would be 4 plus 2 plus 1.
Right.
And then the second one, the group would be 4 plus 1. And then the last one would
Right.
be, and then the last one would be 4 only.
Right. So can you tell me the whole command now? What command should I type?
Uh, to give all of these,
Yes, yes.
so but you have to give one by one, right?
No, you can give them together. So that's what the structure is. If you look at the structure, you can, I guess, predict the
Oh,
command, how to use the command. So can you tell me now the command?
um, uh, I think it would be change the mode,
Yeah,
change the mode,
yeah,
4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2.
yeah. So in here you directly write the value. So
4,
RWX is
4,
7.
2. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 7.
Hmm.
And then comma.
Right. There's no comma, but yeah, if you
There's no
look at
comma.
the command I typed in here, this is the command and this is the structure.
Oh, okay. And then 5,
So it would be,
5,
yeah,
and then 4.
right. And then the folder name, right? So I'll
Yeah.
just copy this and I'll paste it in the terminal and let's see what happens. So see, now you have read, write, execute for the owner, read and execute for the group, and only read permission for other users. So is that cool? Now, are you Abdul? Are you also clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, I understand it.
Yeah. And Simplest, are you okay with this?
Yeah. So
Right.
you
So
say
now, in
3
case
is
I
for the
want,
group. So, my bad.
3 is the folder name. The folder name. So CyberSec has 3 folders. 1, 2, 3 are the folder names.
Oh, okay. Okay. 3 for the name. Okay. 3 for the folder 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
3
Got
is
you.
the folder name. Yeah. Folder or file name. For simplicity, I'll just change. So to change, you can use the rename command, which will help you rename the file or directory. So in Linux, you actually to rename, you just move a folder. You don't like in Windows, you have rename. So if you go using the GUI, you can do it as rename one as first folder, right? So now if I want to
Okay.
change to second folder, I would just use the move command, move to second folder, and that would just do. So did you see it just changed the name? So basically MV is the move command. It copies something and it cuts something and pastes. So cut paste that you do in Windows can be done by move command MV. Now if I want to change the name for 3 as third, I would just type MV3 THIRD third folder and see now you have first, second, third folder. Alright, that is how you change the name. Now I assume you want to change the permissions for all the folders together. So what would you do? I want to make everything RWX, RWX, RWX. So I would just go star dot star.